Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I picked up this Pittsburgh 8-ton heavy-duty bottle jack to replace this Harbor Freight press. This is a 12-ton bottle jack. I think it'll do really good. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. We're going to put the bearings on the spool for the race car. Let's have a look and see what we have in here. Alright everybody, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. First impressions, not too bad. Got your directions. As a man, you know what we do with these. Got your handle. Of course we're not going to do this. Let's see what we got here. Eight-ton heavy-duty bottle jack. Normal stuff. Alright, apparently this screws up and down. Alright, what I'm going to do is put you on hold. And we're going to put it in there and see how it works. Hold on everybody. Welcome back. Seems to fit alright. I need to do something about stabilizing this. But anyway, all right, give it a whirl here. Got your little handle here. Alright, welcome back. Again, we got your little handle here. Go together, don't go together. Alright. Whatever. Give it a shot here. I need to stabilize this a little more. Yoo-hoo! But anyway, seems to work all right. See how this works. All right, welcome back. Let's see how this is gonna work. Damn. Sorry y'all, I definitely need a better camera. Not just my phone, but you can see it's working good. Take it. See how this is gonna work. That goes right up. One more time, everybody. I think this would do just fine. I'm just pressing some bearings on. I'll probably never use it again. Or if I do, it'll be another 3 years. All right. All right, everybody. Let me know what you guys think, if you've used one or not. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. The old 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack that come with this took a shit on me yesterday, right when I needed it, of course. So I picked up this 8-ton heavy-duty bottle jack, Pittsburgh. Alright, I'm out. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Have a good one.